All set. Good luck to your pick 5 choices. Stand by for a dispatch. Condition race category number 22 has just begun. Warrior Baby showing alertness, fast to begin. Then Vital second, Nostradamus. Primero de Marzo is already outside catching the second spot. Pintados is in fourth as they round, heading towards the 1,000 meter mark. Warrior Baby leading the field by about 3 lengths. Primero de Marzo in second, and in third moving up now is Pintados. Stay inside the last 700. It's Warrior Baby continues to take turns, leads by about 3 lengths. Primero de Marzo in second, and in third Nostradamus. Pintados is in fourth, then followed over by Rocking Star. Inside the last 600, no change with the leader. This one, Warrior Baby maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Nostradamus now in second, and in third Rocking Star, and as they turn for home, the lead now is Warrior Baby by about 2 lengths. Moving up now is Rocking Star. In between runners, Nostradamus. And down the stretch they come. Rocking Star goes right for the lead. Nostradamus in second. Moving up now to take second is Sharp Return. Entering the finish line, Rocking Star. Sharp Return, Nostradamus. Primero de Marzo, Warrior Baby, Pintados. I don't mind.